This giant hand AI video generated over 2 million views in 4 months. The channel behind it has only around 10,000 subscribers, but it has pulled close to 1 million views in the last 30 days and could potentially be earning thousands of dollars a month. So today I'm using Claude AI and Google Flow to recreate the entire format from scratch. The concept, the prompts, images, animation, and even the YouTube thumbnail. I'm doing it mostly in real time without copying the original to see how quickly we can build something that looks just as viral. So this is the video that we're working. So I'm going to take a few screenshots here. And you know what? It would make sense to just look into YouTube. What are the best aspects of the video? As you can see by the spike. So this one is good, but usually the beginnings are better because that's where you get the attention. That's where it captures the attention. So I'm going to try and take a screenshot when the hand is actually doing something, like right here. So I have a screenshot tool, try to capture this entire scene. And that's the first part of the research. The next part is now we're going to take that into Claude AI and ask it to do everything, mostly. And so over into Claude, I'm going to attach that screenshot. Now this has to be fast, so I don't want to type, so I'll just tell it right here. I want to generate a video just like this one in the attached image, but not the same thing. It needs to be equally as interesting and maybe even more viral, whereby there's a hand dropping in stuff into a recreated mini scene with these characters. I'm going to be generating several different video clips. So what I need you to do is come up with 5 different ideas that include different scenes similar to the attached image. So first, I'll need you to generate the 5 image prompts and then image to video prompts for each of those scenes. Also, I'm going to merge all of these into a compilation. Might not have been the best explanation, but Claude is smart. It should know exactly what I'm talking about, especially since I added the one screenshot. And so I'll hit send a message. And while it's figuring that out, it's going to give me the different prompts. But unfortunately, Claude at this time does not generate the images as well as it does not generate the video by itself. I'll be using another tool to do that. So I'll log into my Google Flow, whereby you get free credits every day, especially if you're experimenting with this. I'm not really experimenting with this. I create a lot of content, so that is why I'm on the pro plan. But if you're just trying this out, there's credits that you can use every day. I think it's like about 50 credits and it's restarted every day. So I'll hit new project. By this time, Claude probably did what it needed to do. It created each of these scenes, and conveniently there's the image prompt as well as the image to video prompt right here, so it's easy to find. So it did the same thing for all the way up until scene 5. Perfect. And let me just check to make sure that it's different scenes. One is a volcano island, another one is Alpine Winter Village, and it's a different flag, Switzerland flag, Iceland flag. So they did it based on different countries. It also gave me the YouTube title, my top pick, which leans into the curiosity loop, playing God with 5 tiny worlds. It even suggested strong alternatives. I brought 5 tiny worlds to life with one hand. Or what about this one? What happens when a giant hand runs the world? Maybe that one might be the most interesting. I also have the thumbnail prompt. So I'm now going to drop all of these things into Google Flow, starting with scene 1, image prompt, and I'm going to make sure it's 16 by 9. Since this is a long form video, this is not for YouTube short clips, but it's put together. I'll make sure that this agent is turned off because that takes up more credits. I'll come right here to make sure that click this so that we can narrow down the focus and make it clear. This first thing is an image, not 9 by 16, 16 by 9. It says 0 credits to generate this image. So you can generate a lot of images for free. You don't even have to do the image to video, which is why I'm suggesting that you do this. Here's that first prompt, and I'm thinking just for reference in terms of how this should look, I'll also use this screenshot just for reference. Hit upload media here and drop in that screenshot. Hit generate. Let's see what we get from this initial image. This is the first one, not what I generated. This is what I uploaded. And the first image, check this out, guys. This is the screenshot, and this is what I generated. The concept that was created from Claude. How cool is that? You know what? How about we animate this first one right here so we can see how exactly it's going to look. And the cool thing is I'll just come right here. Instead of downloading it, I'll hit animate. It would be even more awesome if I had an end image, you know, like what it looks like at the ending. But how about we just leave the creativity up to Google Flow, since Google Flow and Claude is way more creative at this than I am. And so I will come back to Claude here, take the image to video prompt, copy it, head back over to Google Flow, drop that in here, and let's click video. 7 credits, that is not bad, especially if you have 50 free credits every day. I'll just switch this to ingredients because as you can see right here, this would be perfect if I had a beginning image and an ending image. So the animation in between is what they're going to generate. I don't have an ending image, so I'll just pick the ingredients and let it take it from there. So let's see what this looks like for 7 credits only. And while that is generating, I'm thinking I could have possibly made it a little bit longer, maybe 6 seconds. Allow for more animation, more things to happen. I don't know, maybe the people climbing up there while this drops. But this is an experiment. This is just the first one we're generating. Let's see. This is even better than I thought it would be. And I'm saying that because I'm going to turn up the audio here so you can hear that the sound effects, it automatically dropped. I didn't have to do that separately. Check this out again. And so if this could be done in just a few clicks, copy and pasting like 3 times, that's literally a few clicks. I'm just going to do the same thing for the other 4 scenes, scene 3, scene 4, and scene 5. Upload it to YouTube based on this title. The last thing that I'll do is generate this prompt. Let's see what kind of video it comes up with for this. I'm going to take this entire thing, head back over to Google Flow. Within this project, I'll pick image and I'll pick Nano Banana Pro because I find that the generations are usually a little bit better for this and it still is using 0 credits. So I'll paste the script in there. I can even pick ×2, so 2 options, and it still is using 0 credits. I just want to make it clear at the top here, generate a YouTube thumbnail and hit generate. And just like that, you could see how it can take just minutes to recreate a video similar like this. And the plan is to get this much views over time. That could amount to this. And I did that by simply telling Claude, literally speaking to Claude here, telling it what I wanted to do to recreate a video like that. Taking that screenshot, gave me all of the scenes. I simply copied and pasted the images prompts, image to video prompts, into Google Flow. Here's the thumbnails that was generated. I like this one. So imagine somebody seeing this thumbnail on YouTube and then seeing this video. But would that get me 2 million views? Or would it get you 2 million views? Well, maybe, but I know for sure it's not going to happen with the first video upload. Just like everything in life, you have to repeat and improve and not give up so that one day we can achieve this. But if you do want to see a video concept like this, something that is a little bit easier to recreate and even cheaper. Yeah, even though that one was free, this one is cheaper because it can make you money as well. Then check this video out next.